there everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process to change the Starlink password. So if you're looking out how to do so, you may basically follow up these steps, which should obviously change your Starlink password. So let's get started. Open up Chrome for that or any of the browser available, or you can even download the application called Starlink on your particular device. So once you're in Chrome, you can just go over and type in Starlink and hit enter, and you will be finding their official site, the one that appears in the first, which is starlink.com. So go ahead and tap on it, and once you tap on it here, you will be finding option of getting started and everything. You can just go over and look out for that option of sign in. So to find the sign in option, usually at the top right corner, you should be finding a menu. So go ahead and tap on it, and after that you can just go over and tap on this option called sign in and go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you're in the sign in option, the space appears on your screen where you need to enter up your credentials of your Starlink account to head over to your account. So once you're in this section, usually you will be finding option called email. So what you need to do is right below the next option, if you do not remember your password, once you enter the email address, you should be finding a drop down option. Tap on it and just go up and select this option called forgot email or password and tap on it. After tapping on it, you just need to provide in your email address that you used in order to create your account. After that, you can just go up and tap on this option called request password reset, and you can change your Starlink password. If not this, you can look out for phone option, and in this phone section, you need to provide in your phone number that you used in order to register, and just go over and tap on request password reset. Once it is completed, just go over and follow the prompts, and that should allow you to change your Starlink password and have a new password for your Starlink. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. That is the method you can follow for now. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.